What if the key to making AI systems safer isn't buried in complex code, but hidden in an ancient language spoken by just 5 million people? The Finnish language might be our secret weapon for detecting critical flaws in artificial intelligence. Now that's an unexpected connection. How does a language like Finnish help us test AI systems?
Well, imagine a linguistic Swiss Army knife where a single word carries the weight of an entire English sentence. In Finnish, you can take the word talo for house, and by changing just the ending, transform it into talossa for in the house or talosta for from the house. Each tiny modification completely shifts the meaning.
So these subtle variations could expose weaknesses in how AI processes language?
Exactly right. And here's where it gets fascinating. Finnish has 15 different grammatical cases compared to just two in most Romance languages. In a security context, one small suffix change could mean the difference between grant access and deny access, potentially catastrophic if an AI system misinterprets it.
Hmm. That reminds me of how early computer viruses would exploit tiny code variations to breach systems.
That's such a good parallel. And Finnish has another built in security feature called vowel harmony, like a natural error checking system where vowels must follow specific combination rules. If an AI generates Finnish text that breaks these rules, we immediately know something's wrong with its understanding.
You know what makes this even more interesting? The fact that Finnish isn't widely represented in AI training data must make it particularly challenging for these systems.
Oh, exactly. And that's actually one of its biggest advantages for testing. With only 5 million speakers worldwide, AI systems can't just rely on pattern matching from massive datasets. They have to truly understand the underlying linguistic logic, which is precisely what we want to test.
Well, that makes me wonder, how are researchers actually implementing these Finnish language tests in practice?
So they're developing what they call morphological injection attacks, basically creating seemingly innocent Finnish phrases that could expose vulnerabilities in AI systems. It's like ethical hacking, but with grammar instead of code. And Finnish is particularly well suited because it has this perfect storm of regular patterns, complex structure, and limited training data exposure.
That's really making me think about how we approach AI security testing in general.
Right? And here's something even more intriguing. Researchers are finding that different languages might be better at testing different aspects of AI systems. While Hungarian and Estonian share some similarities with Finnish, Finnish hits the sweet spot that makes it ideal for testing command processing and morphological understanding.
So we might need a whole toolkit of different languages to properly test AI systems?
Exactly. Think about it like this. Most AI systems are trained primarily on major world languages like English and Mandarin. But what if some of our best tools for ensuring AI safety are actually hiding in less commonly spoken languages? It's like we've been looking for keys under the lamppost because that's where the light is.
That's quite a paradigm shift in how we approach AI security testing.
And you know what's really exciting? Researchers are now developing standardized Finnish language test suites that could become part of regular AI security audits. They're creating specific scenarios where Finnish grammar could reveal potential security flaws that might be invisible when testing with other languages.
The implications for future AI development seem pretty significant. How do you see this evolving?
Well, as AI systems become more integrated into critical infrastructure, think healthcare, financial systems, military applications, we'll need increasingly sophisticated testing methods. Finnish could be the pioneer, but it might lead to a whole new field of linguistic security testing. For AI, it's like we're discovering that the complexity of human language itself might be our best defense against AI vulnerabilities.
That's really turning everything I assumed about language and technology security on its head.
And perhaps that's the most valuable lesson here, that sometimes the most powerful tools for advancing technology aren't more complex algorithms or bigger data sets, but rather the intricate patterns woven into human languages themselves. It's a reminder that innovation often comes from making unexpected connections between different fields of knowledge